Identify yourself and tell us what was the award given.
Okay. So I am Amit Khanna and I am representing Lupin here. Lupin CNS, Mind Next as well as the Mind Vision division. So first of all, I would like to thank SIMS Medica to acknowledge our efforts in the direction of women's mental health that we are doing. So our campaign Sheeler Plus, for which we got the award, is basically for the women's mental health campaign that we have initiated. Because when we talk about India per se, India females have got lot of stress, and there is lot of stigma that people women particularly come out speaking about their mental health. So this campaign is in a direction. If you see the words she and healer, so she itself is a healer here, where this campaign is getting propelled to the female psychiatrists, and we are catering the women mental health well-being through this campaign.
How important is the mental health of women's health and the health of general population today? What is the percentage of people going through some kind of mental stress?
Right, absolutely. So, if we talk about women per se, so women experience 3 times more anxiety and depression if we talk about compared to general population. And then if we talk about Indian households, so Indian households, they don't get that conducive environment to the women. And that is where, we identified the need of this campaign, as well as there is a lot of data to support this thing, and a lot of things have been moving in that direction particularly.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Next, please.
Everyone, I'm Parth Thakkar from Lupin. So this award that we have got from Pro Health Convergence 2024 is for the fastest growing brand in the segment of calcium. So as we all know that 14% of our body is bones and 99% of the bones are calcium. So calcium is a very important aspect as we speak about the wellness of the health, and Corsium as a brand, Lupin as an organization is committed in ensuring that we reach out to every single patient, every HCP in the market, and ensure that everyone knows about the brand and what are the benefits of calcium and how can we change the perception of calcium just as a supplement. Rather, it would be a way to wellness. So thank you so much. Thank you. And we thank once again SIMS Medica and Pro Health Convergence for this award. Thank you.
Next, sir.
AGM with Alkem Nexa division. I am the marketing head, and we have won this award for most trusted brand in multivitamins. A to Z is one of the leading brand in India for multivitamins. It is very contemporary formulation. We keep on changing formulation as per the RDA requirement of ICMR guidelines, and it's very relevant brand for today. And all the doctors, including GP, physician, pediatrician, everyone trusts this brand, and that's why we got this achievement, the most trusted brand of multivitamin in India. Thanks for all your support.
I'm working as a group product manager in Alkem, and I'm feeling very proud to winning this award, the most trusted brand of the year in multivitamin category, A to Z NS Plus. So we have crossed this brand with a 300 crore mark in the last month itself, and because of all the trust which we have gained from all the doctors across the country. And externally also we are growing by more than 15% and faster than the market, and one of the leading brands of the multivitamin category. Now feeling proud about this award in my hand with me and along with my team. So thank you very much everyone. Thank you.
I'm extremely happy to say that PNG Health has received this award in the category of awareness, health awareness to consumers. I would like to reiterate that Procter & Gamble Health is committed to its patients and consumers' health, especially in their nerve care category. And going forwards, we almost intend to kind of keep raising awareness, because nerve health is one category which we believe that consumer awareness is really less. And we would keep doing what we are doing in terms of increasing awareness about their nerve health to the general consumer and patients across India. So thank you very much, and thank you to this conference for recognizing our efforts and providing us the award. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Manager in Zydus, and today our brand Derifylin has been recognized as the most trusted brand. And this is over a 70-year-old brand in the Indian pharma industry, which enjoys trust of all the doctors. When you talk of in terms of units sold, it is the #1 brand in the entire asthma and COPD market. It enjoys the trust of doctors in the length and breadth of the country. And the beauty is the economy that we provide to the patients when it comes to the treatment. And the concept of add-on to inhalers to improve better patient outcome with Derifylin has taken the new turn now. So it is the #1 brand of Zydus with over 200 crores of sale. And when it comes to patients, our mission is to reach 200 million patients in 2025. Thank you so much.
Vice President Sales for RiteBite Max Protein products. We are the company who normally sells protein in different forms: bars, cookies, protein chips, peanut butter, protein powders and all. Our objective is to make India protein rich, provide protein snacking at a reasonable price. And for this, we have launched so many products over there and we are getting a good response for this product. Thanks for this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I think going forward, the demand for acute care and doctors has to come down. We have to take care of our health. So pro health basically means how do we prevent any diseases coming to us? How do we keep ourselves healthy? So I think going forward, that's going to be the future. That how to prevent and prevention and wellness is going to be the future of medicine. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Rupa Shah and I represent PAN India Mumbai chapter. I'm a chairperson there. PAN.
It was great listening to all the doctors, and it was also wonderful sharing my own experience about positive mindset and its impact on our overall health.
How important is positive thinking for the well-being of a person?
देखिए, healthy mind stays in a healthy body and vice versa. तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम लोग जो सोच रहे हैं, the thought process has to always be positive. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि that we are ignoring the negative thoughts. It is about awareness. It is about being aware that it's okay to feel negative, it's okay to feel vulnerable, but not holding on to it is the key. So जितना आप पॉजिटिव रहेंगे माइंड में, उतना ही आप अपनी बॉडी का अच्छे से ख्याल रख पाएंगे.
One of the